I've always been a huge fan of pancakes. As a kid, I used to love waking up to the smell of them on the griddle. But my folks were in the natural food business. I had to make sure I got down in the kitchen at the right time before my dad started adding wheat germ and granola and oatmeal and raisins to the batter. Now, I'm a pancake purist. Buttermilk or blueberry pancakes is about adventurous as I get. That is, until the day that I tried IHOP's country griddle cakes. These things are incredible, and the secret lies in the addition of cream of wheat to the batter. Now, while the International House of Pancakes didn't want to give up their recipe, I did the next best thing. I got in touch with a guy named Todd Wilbur. He recreates America's favorite brand name foods like Big Macs, Nutter Butter cookies, you name it. You should check out his books. Well, he was nice enough to allow me to recreate his recreation of the IHOP griddle cakes, and let's get right into it. Enough of me talking. So this is your basic pancake recipe, which is a classic quick bread. And quick breads get their name from not only their fast preparation and cooking time, but because they get their rise from baking powder and baking soda. So first thing up, let's get our griddle heated up. We'll put it on to medium, about 325 to 350, and just coat it with a little nonstick spray. Now, combining the ingredients is as simple as turning on your griddle. I have an egg in here, just one. We put that in the bowl, and the rest we're just going to throw right into here, and we'll combine them. I have 1.5 cups of flour. I have 1/3 cup here of the cream of wheat. This is the instant kind. We're going to do 1/3 cup of sugar. Here's my leaveners here, a teaspoon each of baking powder and baking soda, and a little bit of salt. Here we have 1.5 cups of buttermilk, which is great because it's only made low fat now, which is great. A lot of good flavor here, and 1/4 cup of oil. Now, you can use one of the hand mixers if you want, but this whisk will do just fine, and you just want to keep beating it till it's nice and smooth, and we'll wait for our griddle to heat up. So this is smooth enough. Get rid of all the lumps here, and we can get rid of our whisk here. Now, I like the pancakes to be uniform in size, so I'm going to use this measuring cup. It's 1/3 cup. We're just going to go over here, put 2 of them right here on the griddle. A lot of people wonder, why does the first pancake never turn out? Well, it's not always the case, but sometimes it happens, and that's why they call it a tester cake. Sometimes the griddle's not hot enough, sometimes it's too hot, and sometimes that first cake is what helps condition the griddle while it soaks up all that nonstick spray or butter or oil that you're using. But you're basically going to, on a hot griddle, about 1 minute or 2 each side till they're nice and golden brown. This is fine. I don't have to ditch my tester cake and give it to my dog. Just do that, 1 minute or 2 on each side. Well, these look nice and fluffy. We're just going to transfer these to a plate. If you want to keep them warm, a 200-degree oven will do just fine. For the next batch, you just want to put a little bit more nonstick spray, maybe rub it a little, and then we're ready for our next batch. Got myself a big old stack of pancakes, nice thick king syrup, and some milk. Folks, I'm guaranteed to be napping under the hour. Email me, steve@pulpkitchen.com, and let me know how yours turn out.